Yes, yes. It'll be good for them too. That's why I'm saying, you know, at night it's don't get that cold or, you know, but I'm just...
Oh, nannies.
They can't go up and down the steps.
Yes, they can. What worries me about the steps is I started to put their house up there, but that thing right there, I'm scared they'll fall off.
Nannies.
That little one, she can't find anything.
Feasting time.
The boys are outgrowing Marvin.
Are they?
Marvin's getting slim. Bring it here, Slade. Bring it here, Slade.
Veyron. Oh, no, not
Come here,
really.
Veyron. Come here, Veyron.
Go, Slade.
Veyron. Veyron. Veyron's like, what are they doing?
Veyron's like, I don't understand.
Come here. Come here, Slade. Right here. Come here, Slade. Right here.
Take it to her, dum-dum.
Come on.
Come here, Slade.
Aw.
Daddy boy.
It's him,
Daddy
Joker.
boy.
You're a good boy. Yes, you is. You're a good boy. Yes, you is. I'm a jealous boy.
He is.
I'm a jealous boy.
Damn, Slade. Mama told you to bring it out of dum-dum and she'd throw it.
Come on, boy. Slade, bring me the toy. Come on, bring me the toy.
God almighty,
Bring me the
Slade.
toy. Come on, Slade.
That was my niece.
Bring me the
stupid.
toy.